Well, somebody told me that it would be the sapphire gems that were the first to escape. And it is not. It is a buff Orpington and a well summer. Yay! And I don't believe they got out through the bars. It looks like they dug under. Oh goodness. Wish me luck. Well, thank goodness for pool skimmers. That only took a couple seconds. Of course, I put grass clumps and those dehydrated mealworms and everything inside. Couldn't get one single chicken to go inside. Oh, but I opened the gate just a little bit, used the pool skimmer, and kind of herded the two bad chickens inside. So let me see, let me do a count. Yes, all 3 sapphire gems are here, 3 buff Orpingtons, 1, 2, 3, 4 well summers, 3 Delawares, 1, 2, 3, 4 Wyandottes. Okay, they're all here, naughty little birds. So at first, from a distance, I thought that that bar had been dug under, and they have scratched it and dug a little bit, but there's no hole big enough for them to get out. So clearly they came out through the bars, through the squares. So I can't do anything about it until next payday. So I hope today is Sunday. So I hope I don't completely lose any chickens between now and payday. Silly birds. Yep. But hello. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh. Okay, I gotta hang up. Yep. The Delawares are quite a bit like puppies. Obnoxious little things. Oh, there is a sapphire gem biting the phone. The phone is not edible. I put your snacks inside. Your snacks are inside. Go on. Oh, good grief. This is going to be a problem. Ow! Who is that? On my back. For Pete's sake. Okay. I'm gonna go so I can put these guys in for the night before I have any more escapees or any more climbing up my body parts, for Pete's sake. Okay, see ya.